Awning windows are a popular choice for Baytown homeowners because of their ability to provide ventilation, protect against rain, and enhance energy efficiency. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows are especially effective in humid and coastal climates. However, to fully benefit from their design, proper installation is essential. Professional installation ensures that awning windows perform efficiently, last longer, and withstand Baytown's challenging weather conditions. One of the most important aspects of installing awning windows is accurate measurement. Every window opening must be measured precisely to ensure a proper fit. Even small measurement errors can lead to gaps, misalignment, or difficulty in operation. Professional installers take careful measurements and account for any irregularities in the wall or frame, ensuring that the window fits securely and functions as intended. Another key tip is ensuring proper alignment and leveling during installation. Awning windows rely on smooth operation of hinges and hardware, which requires the frame to be perfectly level. If the window is installed unevenly, it may not open or close properly, and the seal may be compromised. Professional installers use specialized tools to ensure the window is square and aligned, preventing operational issues down the line. Creating a tight, weather-resistant seal is critical in Baytown's climate. High humidity, rain, and occasional storms can expose windows to moisture and air infiltration. Proper installation includes the use of high-quality sealants and weather stripping to prevent leaks and drafts. A well-sealed awning window helps keep indoor air conditioned, reduces energy loss, and protects the home from water damage. Flashing is another essential component of installation. Flashing materials are installed around the window to direct water away from the opening. In a coastal environment like Baytown, where rain and moisture are common, proper flashing prevents water from seeping into the walls and causing structural damage. Professional installers ensure flashing is correctly placed and integrated with the window frame for maximum protection. The choice of frame material and insulation also plays a role in installation success. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass are commonly used for awning windows because they resist moisture and temperature changes. During installation, insulation is added between the window frame and the wall to minimize heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Proper insulation ensures that the window performs well in both hot and humid conditions. Another important consideration is hardware installation and adjustment. Awning windows rely on hinges, cranks, and locking mechanisms to function properly. These components must be installed and adjusted with precision to ensure smooth operation and a secure seal when closed. Professional installers test all hardware after installation to confirm that everything works correctly. Ventilation benefits are one of the main reasons homeowners choose awning windows, so strategic placement is also important. Installing these windows in areas where airflow is most beneficial, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or higher wall positions, maximizes their effectiveness. Professionals can recommend the best placement to capture breezes and improve indoor air circulation. Proper installation also includes a thorough inspection and testing process. Once the window is in place, installers check for air leaks, water resistance, and smooth operation. This final step ensures that the window meets performance standards and is ready to handle Baytown's weather conditions. Maintenance considerations should not be overlooked during installation. Ensuring that the window is easy to access for cleaning and inspection helps maintain its performance over time. Professional installers often provide guidance on how to care for the window, including cleaning techniques and how to check seals and hardware. In addition to functional benefits, proper installation enhances the overall appearance of the home. A well-installed awning window sits flush with the exterior, creating clean lines and a polished look. Poor installation, on the other hand, can result in visible gaps or uneven finishes that detract from curb appeal. In conclusion, professional installation is essential for maximizing the performance of awning windows in Baytown homes. From accurate measurements and proper sealing to correct alignment and moisture protection, each step plays a vital role in ensuring long-term durability and efficiency. By working with experienced installers, homeowners can enjoy the full benefits of awning windows, including improved ventilation, energy savings, and lasting protection against the elements.